You have to keep curd. What is this, Nana?
Curd.
What is this? Curd. Then chilies.
Chili.
Look at here.
Chili.
Some chilies. Pieces. Then salt. Salt and jeera powder. Okay. Next. What are these? Coriander leaves. What are these? Coriander leaves. Make like this. Look at here. Small pieces. Mint leaves also. Very good. Then